Hey guys, this is Keith Rainbow here, the Fat Yankee, my friend. So listen, we are going to do another review for a local gentleman. His name is James, who has a company called Levi's Smoked Beef Jerky, guys. So this is a jerky that has no preservatives in it. And again, Levi's Southern Smoked Beef Jerky.com is where you can find his products. This here happens to be a sugar-free and a gluten-free product. So I mean, that is definitely a niche that that is and needs some representation. So he is actually providing a product to fill that niche. Okay, Levi's Southern Smoked Beef Jerky, guys. That is his little girl on the picture there, and Levi Smoked Southern Beef Jerky. He names his beef jerky flavors after particular small towns here in Florida, okay? So this one here is St. Augustine, it's called. Straight up St. Augustine, and this is on his website as well. So I've spoken to James, the owner of the company, several times, and he is a great guy. So I'm going to get into his beef jerky here. He sent me this out here about 3 or 4 days ago. So let me just rip this here open, and let's get started. Alright, so I'm going to move the camera down here, guys, so you can actually see what's going on. I'm going to put this out on the table here. This is what it looks like. And when I open this up here, guys, I get a nice smell, a nice flavor of beef, just a nice all-natural beef. Okay, so this is what his beef jerky looks like. It's cut into thin strips. Hopefully you can see that there. And it's pretty tender to the touch. It rips fairly easily. It's a beef jerky. And so that's what you're getting inside. You see those nice spider web threads throughout the beef jerky, okay? So I'm going to try this beef jerky here. Again, this is a gluten-free. This is an original flavor that he has. And he's got 5 flavors to choose from. So let me try this, my friends. Okay, so great meat flavor right off the bat. This is an excellent jerky, my friends. You're going to like the flavor of this. Again, it has no sugar in it, but a nice original steak flavor. This is actually something that I would order myself. It has a great flavor to it. I don't know what cut James uses. I'll have to find out and write that in the review below the video. But it's a pretty tender jerky. I'm going to take another piece here. I do get no spice at all. It has a sweet flavor to it without sugar, ironically. But you really get a nice, strong beef flavor. Seems like there might be some Worcestershire sauce in here. And seems like there might be some, definitely some garlic. I can taste a little bit of garlic, but definitely some soy sauce too. And it's a gluten-free soy sauce, my friends. So it is, it's not overpowering. It's not over salty for flavor. I would say this is a very medium of the range, if not low salt beef jerky, guys. This is delicious. Got great texture. It's a good chewing beef jerky, okay? So it's not tender, but it's beef jerky, and it is delicious, guys. So that's Levi's Southern Smoked Beef Jerky.com, guys. You can find his product there. I'm gonna leave a complete review on the bottom of the video, my friends. But this is I've been getting pretty lucky with people sending me their beef jerky and sending me some great recipes of their flavors. And this is a great beef jerky, guys. So I would say order from this gentleman here, James, at Levi's Southern Smoked Jerky. This is definitely one you won't be disappointed in. Now, don't get me wrong, guys. When I get a beef jerky that I don't like, I'll tell you. So you're not wasting your money ordering this stuff. This is good stuff right here. This is definitely a best rated beef jerky. But look at the description, read the comments below. I'll leave the link for Levi's Southern Smoked Beef Jerky here, guys. Hey, Fat Yankee here, guys. Send me a beef jerky if you want me to review it. on my channel here. We are growing really fast with subscribers every day. So guys, check out my new recipes at Fat Yankee Jerky here on YouTube. And we've got a buffalo beef coming out. We've got a street taco. And we've got a Casper's ghost pepper jerky coming out, which I know you're going to love for those guys who like spicy stuff. Guys, Keith Rainville, the Fat Yankee, signing out, my friends. We'll see you in the next review or in the next video. Thanks for watching.